Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life, and please viewers you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls, office girls, working women. Crochet handbag, so please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful ideas, mind-blowing pattern. So beautiful. Some are crochet strappy style, leather strappy style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain strappy style, pocket style, zipper style. Very nice. Beautiful pattern, handmade knitting variety. Different style. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful range and affordable crochet handbag. Reasonable price. Very nice. You can get this handbag with matching your dresses in a party like college or uni function, and casual at your office. Some are simple and some are decorated with beaded stones. Beautiful ideas, beautiful and mind-blowing pattern, body style, ribbon style, crochet flower decorated ideas. So beautiful. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.